Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account from your mobile. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your Facebook application and click on the icon button. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find an option Settings and Privacy. Under this option, a button appears Settings. Click on this button. Now there are several options, but at the second option under the section of Account, you can see Personal Information. Click on this button. Now there are also several options, so you have to click the button Manage Account. Now you can see that our desired button appears, that is Deactivate. If you click Deactivate, you will be asked to put your password, then you have to continue. After this, your Facebook account will be deactivated. This is how easily you can deactivate your Facebook account through your mobile. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.